So, what does a brand new 379 look like? Well, it looks like that, because that's the only way you're going to get one nowadays. But we got our hands on one. It's been totally rebuilt. It's a heavy haul truck. It's 4-axle with a 20,000 pound lift axle. And we're going to check it out. Alright guys, so I lied to you a little bit. It's not brand new. It actually has 18,000 miles on it. They're actually not original miles for the truck. This truck was rebuilt. And let me tell you the story here. So, a while back, my friends Jesse and Deanne said that they were opening up a diesel shop. They already had the stuff. They owned a trucking company. They've been doing it for years. They were going to start taking outside work. And I said, great. I needed a good shop in the area, and said, you can have my business. Now, I don't let just anybody work on my truck, although I'd known Jesse for a long time. But I knew this truck. I had seen this truck. I knew what he went through building it. And that was all the reference I needed for the kind of work that gets done at Double D. So, we're going to truck. Fast forward a little bit. They decide the diesel business is taking off, and they're going to wind down, do a lot less trucking, because trucking sucks right now for those of you that don't know it. But he says he's going to start selling stuff, including this truck. So I decided to make this video for him to help him sell the truck. But then as I'm going around and he's telling me about it, we're going through it, I thought, man, my subscribers are truck people. They're going to want to see this. And it is really a beautiful truck. But that is the good news. It's for sale. If you got the money, you're a heavy hauler, you know, and want a Pre ELD truck, man, you're not going to do much better than this. So I was actually going to edit down, you know, we walked around the truck. I was going to edit it into a little bit shorter, but he just kept talking and talking. Everything he said about the truck needed to be in this video. So I'm just going to let it roll, everything we talked about. So what year is this?
It's a 2002.
2002. What motor's in it? 6NZ? 2WS?
2WS.
2WS. Yeah.
Everything's fucking new. Motor, tranny, rear, axles. Car hauler front axle.
Oh wow. I didn't know you had the car hauler front axle on it.
The only thing that was reused on this truck is the frame rails.
Yeah.
All the skins were replaced. Took the air horns off the roof.
You replaced the mirrors and everything. You do a lot of interior work.
The whole interior was redone.
Wow. No kidding.
This bunk was stripped down to nothing. Which I sent you a picture of that.
Yeah.
It's all new skins. Paint job done by L&S Truck Painting.
Man, I love these fenders. See if we can find a clean spot. It's awful dusty around here. We're right along Route 72, but
Brand
it
new
does
lift
look
axle,
nice.
20,000 pound.
Yeah. $299 wheelbase, you said. Yep. Wow. It's like buying a brand new 1999. And being 2WS, it is.
It doesn't need E-log.
Yep, no E-logs. Nice. Low air, that is low air leaf, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I thought so.
355 rears.
18 speed, right?
18
I
speed
figured it
tranny,
was.
brand new. Motor, tranny, rears, drivetrain, everything has less than 18,000 miles on it. The only thing that's original to this truck are the frame rails. None of the wiring or plumbing in the back was spliced. It was all replaced. If you look up there in between the fifth wheel, that's a brand new ABS valve. All the valves are brand new fifth wheel.
I hate that ABS valve. Anybody who's ever put one of them ABS valves on hates it. I laid under the truck doing that. I'd never had so much crap get in my eye in my life.
Well, I got lucky. This thing was stripped down to nothing.
All Michelin tires.
Yep.
Recaps, right?
No.
I didn't figure you were running caps on.
Recap on nothing.
No.
New fuel tanks.
New fuel tanks. Yeah, I hope the camera's catching that sparkle. I'm sure it is. The sun's hitting it good.
Custom made deck plate on there. There's actually a plug down underneath that unplugs the electric, so you can just lift it off there without having to unwire it.
Oh, nice. Awful pretty, but it's built for work. It's unlocked.
Custom made steps.
Wow. Oh man, that interior looks great. Yeah, two-tone seats. Yeah, that's the same interior as mine. Wish mine was that nice.
We added the controls for the lift axle there in the dash.
Oh,
His
yeah.
driver can pop the switch. I have a upgraded valve on it that allows that axle to lift in seconds for turning corners.
Oh, nice. So you got a drop, you want to turn the corner, you just pop it, turn the corner, and back down. Yep. And even the door closes nice and tight.
They're completely rebuilt.
Yeah.
The whole door was stripped down to a bare carcass, new hinges, everything.
And you got to work on Peterbilt to keep the doors nice. I've replaced my latches, I don't know how many times. They just go bad, but
The hood was stripped down to nothing, completely rebuilt. Stainless steel grill.
oh, it is stainless.
LED headlights that have the heaters in them.
Hey, JW speaker.
I don't know what they are. They're expensive.
Yeah, I think they're JW speaker. I think so. They are the most expensive headlights.
Air cleaner lids were chopped down a little bit just to give a different look.
Oh yeah. I didn't notice that. Oh yeah.
The thing opens with like one finger.
Wow. Now there's the really sweet part. You said everything was replaced. Every rocker arm,
Everything on that motor is new except for the crank.
except the crank.
It's got new cam, new rockers, jigs,
Wow.
platinum. Well, I guess you call it out frame because I built it on the floor. The motor is a 1999, so no E-log. Paperwork in the glove box to prove it. Matching numbers, the ECM to the VIN. So the cop will try to give you a hard time. Good luck to him.
Yeah.
But brand new car hauler front axle, brand new springs,
Man, that is crazy.
brand new steering box, new radiator, air charge cooler, AC condenser. Everything was replaced on this. Everything.
And it really is a brand new truck.
Even the windshield wiper motor.
Wow.
It's got big turbo on it. Truck's tuned to 650 horsepower.
Yeah. That's not a factory manifold, is it?
It's a ceramic full tilt manifold.
Full tilt. I was gonna say PDI, I always forget the full tilt. I think that's who Pittsburgh Power uses too. I think they use full tilt. There it goes, all new.
Even the wheels, tires, are all new.
Wow. This is a diamond in the rough right there. I mean, brand new truck.
Air tanks are brand new. Fuel tanks are brand new.
about the def tank?
There isn't one.
Yeah, well there you have it.
It's a bunk bed.
Oh, it is a bunk bed. Yeah, it's just like mine. Brand new fridge in there.
Mattress is pretty salty. That's brand new.
It's a 70-inch bunk?
Yeah.
Oh, 70-inch with no windows.
Yeah. It's because of the bunk bed.
Okay, yeah, I was wondering about that because I've seen 70-inch without windows.
It's because of
But mine's 70-inch has the exact same interior, so.
plenty of storage.
Yeah. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah. It's just crazy. You ain't gonna get any closer to getting brand new. Pre ELD.
You can't get this brand new.
No, no.
Pre ELD truck sitting right here.
You can't even get the gliders anymore, can you? I know they're harder to get anyway. Yep. Well, there it is. What are you asking for it?
Well, we got over 300,000 on this whole thing. I'd like to see 280, but I'd probably let it go for a little less.
Gotcha. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. I'll put up a number here where you can get a hold of him, and also put something down in the links. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a pretty cool truck, man. And like he said, it is for sale for you heavy haul guys that are interested in it. By the way, I have a friend who just bought one of the last 389s. He's ordering it brand new. And it's spec'd about like that truck without the extra axle. And he's paying $265,000 for it. So that's actually what a brand new truck costs right now without the extra axle. I do have a friend who just bought a 3-axle, and I'm not quite sure what he paid. But if you want pre-ELD, you want the old pre-emission stuff, man, you're not going to do much better than that. But so, and if you're in the area, you see the kind of work that Double D Diesel Repair does. Like I said before, I originally was making this just to help them sell a truck, maybe put it out there for people. I wasn't even going to do an actual YouTube video about it, but then I thought about my subscribers. I said, man, they're going to love this truck as much as I do. So feel free to comment down below. You can also email me anytime you want. It's finchresources@gmail.com. Down below, I'm going to put the phone number, in case you missed it in the video there, for Double D Diesel Repair. And they have the truck for sale. You can actually call that number anytime. Don't call them in the middle of the night. But you can call them after their hours too, because it'll ring to Deanne's cell phone. So if you need to get a hold of them or talk about the truck, there's so much that wasn't covered. Me and Jesse kept talking about it afterwards. There's so much stuff about that truck that wasn't covered. It will take you hours to go through all of it. But hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next video, I'm going to get back to doing some trucking companies, but I really just wanted to share this with you guys. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.